Hello my friends. Hi, do you remember my name is Edgar the Shirtless? So today we will make a IKEA bed called SLAKT. You can see I already made one, and today you will see how we'll make one more. So in the beginning, what you need to do, there will be 4 boxes which is marked by yellow note 1, 2, 3, 4. I suggest just to open all of them, and you can start with drawers. Why drawers? Because if you start with first one, you will be very tired when you get to the drawers. So just start with drawers and we will make it together faster, better, and this bed will be the best one. Okay. We will start with drawers. Why with drawers? Because it is the simplest one, and when you will be finished with all 4 boxes, all 4 drawers, there will be less parts, so it will be easier to pour further. So what you need to open one back of this one. You need this, and this is like my hammer. So okay, let's start. Just put in the right way and take this one. You need to see you have 2 sides, just from this side. Chinks. Also, like this. And take this one, make tight. That was done. So next one, you need to take this side up, this down, and take the screw. Take this, put there, then take this one. Then take these white ones, put in each hole, all 4, and do like this. Better if you have a real hammer, but I don't have, so with one like this. And now when you start making drawers, you need to check you have one this, as you can see. Come closer, you can see letter R, so that will go inside the bed. The second one, you can see this one, and you just this here, and you then like this, and that's all. So, one side is almost done, and you need to find the second one. Finished, and not so hard. One more tip regarding drawers. You see, for this one, it's the black one. Yes, this will be always inside the bed, so you can in the beginning already put away. And one more thing, with IKEA bed, you will always know if you are doing something wrong, if your hole that doesn't match. So if you are doing everything correctly, every hole for screws will be the correct ones. So you can see always, if you are doing something and it's not working, that means you are doing it wrong. So you see, I put this way, all holes is correct one. I can do it also opposite way, but then the holes will not be correct. All 4 drawers finished, just like that, simple. So all drawers has been finished, so I will move to make a bed. So you can see all parts opened, all boxes have been opened, and so what we will begin. So we will begin with this one. You take one and the second one. So take this one. You know, always is how to say. You can see always you need to put this arrow where in the same direction where is a hole. So you can see there's a hole. So you need to put like this. Always when you're doing something, you can see there's holes in the picture. You need to check also on this side, and also you have almost the same to this one, but you need to take this because for this hole is the right size. So So yes, 2 parts is done. So you need to take on the third one. This one. And also you need to check that this all holes isn't this. So next one, you make the first one. You need to take third one, yes, and be please how to say careful with this hole. Sometimes usually one put all these in all holes from the beginning, but you don't need to do that. Just follow my lead here and here. So the wooden pieces you put in the third one and the sixth one, and then you take this. dear subscribers, so you need to focus on this picture because you can do in two ways. You can make the bed, you have the drawer in this side or in that side. So I will go with this variant. I put this one. Yes, we can move forward. No, we can check. Yes, you can see that we have to this. I don't know how it's in English. So we almost finished the bed, so we can move forward. So you can see I take the last two wooden parts, and if you do not want to check your instruction, just you can follow me. So take these two stainless aluminum profiles and just to put in the right position where you will be able to see that in every hole you can see second hole, and you need to see that on the back of this you have these large holes, and that's all. You will, how to say, instructions, there's 4 pages for that. Just if you do like this, you cut the time for that and you can easily proceed. So you take all the screws and do like this. So you can see 2 screws. This is the wrong one. You need to choose this one. So take this one. Need now take these screws and this plasmas. So and you like this. You know, I suppose wondering why you need such a, but in the end when you will. But in the end, when you will put the last part of your bed, I don't know how it's in English, but I will show in the picture. Check, my dear friends. Check. Do you remember such a song? What? You see, when you be putting this like that in the end, those 4 plastics will do that your bed is not moving. So it's very important to don't forget about that. So move forward, yes. So you can see quite interesting part. Yes, you see, you need this and this in both, and then you take this one. Okay. Pew. And we need to do like this. Ding, and so you can see we finished this. Yes. So next stage. So the final thing. So when you will start to do this, so you need to see R means right, so right goes in this side and left goes on this side, and always this roller needs to be in the bottom. So you can see everything is done, right and left side. Main thing what you need to remember, just these rollers need to be below the bottom and right and left side. And so we need to only finish, put the drawers inside. So remember in the beginning I told you that we need to start with drawers, and that was the right decision, because already at the moment I'm sick and tired of this bed. So I only need to finish, put the drawers in, and it's finished. So that's it. You need this side is up. It's like that. Finished. So that was all, my friends, so don't forget to subscribe this video, and I want to say a large, how it's an enormous thanks to my lovely daughter to making this video. Love you and happy birthday.